Hey
Boondings, guys.
check
What?
this one out.
Yeah, we heard, as rumor has it, that this place is haunted.
I'm nervous.
So does ghosts roam around in the daylight?
We've already heard like 3 things.
Let's go find out. So apparently this thing has really been growed up around big time. So we're trying to stick the camera in there, guys.
Scary. Oh my gosh.
What is that? Eyes? That looks like eyes right there.
Nope,
Oh, wow.
We're not staying here.
Oh, wow.
I ain't going in there.
Wow.
Nope. Wow. That's scary. Let's go.
Yeah, this is,
Gosh.
I swear I seen eyes.
Oh my gosh.
That first clip or second clip, whenever the clip, I don't know, but
And this
thing is
this
so
land, and it's for sale.
it's in bad shape.
But
yeah, for sale to tear down, right? Because look at this backside. I mean, we're looking in through the wall. Dang.
Baby, are you serious? Let's go.
Yeah, this is crazy, y'all. I think that's a cellar.
What
or
is that?
used to be an outhouse or something. I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, let's get out of here.
I've been right.
I seen
scared.
eyes. I seen eyes in that
Hurt
one room.
Stuff, and this, you
Gonna
guys,
go back-
this scares
Go
me.
back and get in the truck, and I'm gonna look at this footage because I know I seen eyes. Y'all let us know in the comments if you seen eyes.
Let's go, baby.
Go. You got that back. You got that stuff all over you. That bagger lice stuff, guys.
Now he's gonna have to take it off me. I'm ready to go.
Yeah. So yeah, once upon a time, this was a farmhouse, kicking up some dust. But I tell you what, over the years, you see that the land is reclaiming it.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
this is all for sale around here. And I was like, oh yeah, let's go look at it. It has land.
Yeah.
It has an old house that we might be able to do something.
And after looking at it, it looks like it's going to have to be tore down. I mean, half the roof's gone. Yeah, this one's worse.
This one's worse. And
that's why the ghosts have took over.
I really
I'm telling you,
You guys,
seen
I
eyes.
heard so much
We heard,
in there.
yeah, shuffling. I mean, yeah, it could be animals, or
We
is
didn't
it?
go in.
Is it animals? See if you see anything looking out these curtains.
Right here.
While we're on camera here, because I'm telling you, I seen eyes. Could it have been an animal? Yeah. Could it have been a ghost? Yeah.
I don't know.
Y'all tell me.
I haven't been scared of actually looking at something.
Yeah.
Like this, but like I feel really freaked out.
It's a little freaky. This is, I mean, we'll come up here at nighttime. Go to the
People were talking about.
Go to the ones that we've showed in the past, and if you ain't seen those videos, go back on our channel and find those where we've went to those old abandoned houses and farmhouses, and just imagine you being there at night. Yeah. Could you do it? I don't know. I don't know if I could do it. Like sitting here on this porch right now in the daylight, it's fine. But sitting here at nighttime, that would be, I'm sure.
I have so much anxiety just sitting here because, like, I told him I'm ready to go.
I said, well, let's sit down and talk to the peoples, tell them what up. Because I always say every property, whether it's got a home or not, it's got potential.
It does.
Listen right here, people's like, tear it down. Even them other houses we've looked at that still had good bones. Some people's like, tear it down.
Well, some more other houses had a lot of potential. This, you guys, it would have to be torn down.
I believe it's been let go so long with these. I mean, there's trees growing out of the foundation, and
at least that other place that we looked at, it had a few trees in the foundation that was brick around.
Oh, the block one, yeah, where you could cut the trees out and then put your floor back in. Yeah, and then a roof on. But this one, man, it bothers me.
It bothers me.
It bothers me because this once was an awesome farmhouse.
They have a big spider web up there.
Raised a bunch of kids, and I'm sure, you know what I mean, farmed this land, and then, you know, they moved on, died, or built another one and forgot about this one. I mean, it's just, man.
This is probably the worst one we've looked at.
Pretty bad shape. We wasn't able to really actually step foot inside.
Things I heard.
The doors right here wouldn't open. This has still got some broken glass on it. We didn't want to get cut. You know, like I tell Cynthia all the time, don't get hurt. We ain't going to the hospital. So, no different than today. So, I don't know. Man alive.
I've got anxiety. Very
we
bad.
come to look at it, and yeah.
Because people said about being haunted, and you know good and well that we were like, yeah, they're just saying that.
Right. And then I stick the camera in there. I swear I seen eyes. I'm going to have to review that footage over and over again and pause it or whatever. And y'all do the same. And because I don't know, you know, just even the thought sometimes can play with your mind. Right?
Yes.
Gosh. So, yeah, I guess we're going to move on down the road and go see what we can see. And, yeah.
I mean, this land's pretty.
Yeah,
but
it's beautiful.
If it's haunted,
view.
I wouldn't want to be in the same place.
Right.
Because
we don't know the history of what happened here. If somebody may have got murdered, somebody could have died. I mean, I don't know. But anyways, once upon a time, this was a beautiful place to step out on this front porch we're sitting on, and the mountains all around. Man,
the beauty
beautiful.
Takes you away.
Yeah, beautiful, absolutely. So guys, we're gonna get out of here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like, hit the subscribe button, because CNC's on a mission, and we're looking and showing you anything and everything. And remember, everything has potential. And if you can, put your eyes on it, and especially if you can, put your feet on the property. Check it out before you write a check. Right? So anyways, we'll see y'all in the next one, okay? Appreciate it. Peace out. Love you guys. Yeah. Is this one haunted? Because my wife can't sit up. Did somebody just jerk her back? I don't know.
Oh my goodness. You guys, I just want to say, please, to everyone, I beg you, to the whole world, to never give up. Because you're so special and you're so worth. And you have a purpose. Don't let anybody tell you don't. Because I promise you, you do.
Yep.
Okay, you guys, we will see you on the next one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love you guys.
I keep looking behind me and see if anything's looking out that window. Yeah. Let's get out of here. Yurt.